In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share iCloud folders in a few easy steps. Sharing folders with friends, family, or colleagues can be extremely useful for collaboration or simply keeping everyone in the loop. So let's dive right into it and make sure you can confidently share your iCloud folders with whomever you need. Firstly, you need to open the Files app on your device. This app acts as the central hub for all your files and documents saved across different platforms, including iCloud. Once you've opened the app, navigate to the iCloud Drive section. Here, you should find the folder that you're planning to share. Ensure it's the right one, as sharing folders with sensitive information or the wrong content isn't ideal. After locating your folder, tap and hold it. This little trick brings up a menu with several options. You'll see a few familiar ones, but we're interested in the option that says Share. Go ahead and tap on Share, which will then lead you to another button titled Add People. By selecting Add People, you're indicating that you want to allow others to access either the entire contents of the folder or particular files within it. Now that you're in the Add People menu, you have the decision of choosing how exactly you want to share the folder. There's a variety of methods to fit different needs or preferences. You can choose to send the invitation via mail if you're aiming for a more formal approach, or use the Message app for a quick casual share. Alternatively, you can also copy the link and paste it into any platform or communication app you're using, which is particularly handy when coordinating with teams or sharing among groups. Before sending off your invitation, it's essential to set the permissions. Depending on your needs, you'll want to adjust the level of access others are granted. Tap on Share Options to toggle between View Only, which allows recipients to only view the contents or can make changes, which grants them the ability to edit, add, or remove files in the folder. This setting is crucial as it determines the level of collaboration and control you maintain over your shared folder. Once you've made these choices, you're ready to send the invite. Tap Send or paste the link to whomever you've decided to share it with. It's as simple as that. Your selected recipients will get a notification or message, and they can access the folder as per the permissions you've set. With these steps, sharing iCloud folders becomes a seamless process, enhancing productivity and connectivity. So, next time you need to share those vacation photos or collaborate on a project document, you now know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.